Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to use the Availity Provider Portal. First, open your web browser and go to the Availity Provider Portal website. Now click Sign In and enter your username and password. If you do not have an account yet, select the registration option and follow the steps to create one for your provider organization. Once you log in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard where you can access different tools and services. Availity is commonly used by healthcare providers to check eligibility, review claims, submit authorizations, and manage other insurance-related tasks. From the dashboard, use the navigation menu or search bar to find the feature you need. To check a patient's coverage, open eligibility and benefits and enter the required patient information. You can also review claim status, submit claims, upload supporting documents, and manage referrals or authorizations through the portal. If you need to submit additional medical records or claim attachments, select the appropriate transaction and upload the required files. You can also access payer-specific resources, forms, reports, and announcements directly from the portal. To learn how a feature works, click Help and Training and browse the available training materials or webinars. As you use the portal more often, you can save time by becoming familiar with commonly used tools such as eligibility, claims, authorizations, and remittance information. When you're finished, make sure to log out of your account, especially if you're using a shared computer, to help keep patient and provider information secure. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.